Welcome to the Atal Tinkering Lab Marathon 2022-23 under the India's G20 presidency. I am Abhayjit Singh and he is my co-partner Nischal and We are Shemrock Science Wizards. So our topic is development in transportation. And the name of our model is Sustainable and Advanced Transport System. So the problem statement is design a solution to improve public transportation in India. So the agendas of our project is here the following, and firstly we will be dealing that why we have chosen about this problem. So currently the situation is there is lot of traffic jams at the traffic lights, so due to which ambulances are stuck at the traffic lights, which is causing a lot of nuisance and also inconvenience to the patients. So 85% of the ambulance workers have witnessed delays which have seriously affected a patient's recovery, and 82% feels the current pressure puts them at an unacceptable level of stress, and 72% ambulance workers have considered leaving the service, so which could prove fatal to the nation's interest. So now coming to the solutions to the problem, we are using technology of ultrasound and ultrasonic transmission and reception in the smart traffic light. Now coming to the current situations of roads accident in hilly areas. So due to the low visibility at the sharp ends, there are occurring a lot of accidents at the hilly areas, and due to which a lot of people are losing their valuable lives. So here are some national figures and data which provide information about the different age groups which are mostly affected by the accidents. So here are the analysis by the road features also. So for a solution to that, we are using ultrasound technology to avoid the stacking of ambulances also and the collisions in the hilly areas also. Like you can see in the PPT that an ambulance is approaching the traffic light. It will emit out ultrasound waves, and the waves will be received by the smart traffic light. So it will change accordingly for the particular lane. And now for hilly areas, we can see that a car is approaching the sharp end at a hilly road. So the driver cannot estimate about the obstacle in front on the other side of the road. So it could be proved very dangerous for traveling, and also it is very dangerous to travel in rainy season and at night in the hilly areas. So we will be using the same technology of ultrasound as we are using in ambulances to avoid such situations. We are just adding altimeters and reflectors at the sharp ends of hilly areas.
Here we have used three components: Arduino UNO, ultrasonic distance sensor, pressure and altitude sensor. Here we can see the working. As the emergency vehicle is approaching the traffic lights, the lane is getting green for the particular lane and getting red for the other two lanes. So now coming to hilly areas. Here we can see there is object and a system. So we can see the vehicle is approaching and it is giving us beep sound as the object is approaching near, or vehicle is approaching at the sharp end. So it will intimate the driver accordingly, and driver will respond accordingly. Thank you.